Hello and welcome to Food Tech 101. Now, I wonder if you can help me out with some ideas. This week, one of my work colleagues gave me a giant bag full of apples from his garden. I will just zoom back out so you can see exactly how big the bag is. That's a pretty big bag, and it's filled to the brim with apples. Now, we've got to kind of use these things pretty quick because when you get proper organic apples from someone's tree, they don't last very long before they start to go off. So I've got a giant bag of apples, and what I want you to do is help me out. In the comments below, I want you to make some suggestions as to what I could make this week with this bag of apples. Now, I'm going to have some of my year 10s. I've set my practical, which involves using apples as a key ingredient, but he says he's got even more at home. So what would you like to see me make for Food Tech 101 using apples? So give me as many suggestions as you can, and over the next few days I'll see how many of those suggestions I can actually get to make and post.